The E-step system allows you to slow your vehicle using only the accelerator pedal. This system helps to keep you from moving your foot between the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. When the E-step system is activated, the characteristics and operation of the accelerator pedal become significantly different than how a conventional pedal operates. While active, the regenerative brake is enhanced and you can adjust the vehicle speed by only depressing or releasing the accelerator pedal. Take your foot off the accelerator pedal to reduce the vehicle speed. If the deceleration is not sufficient when the accelerator pedal is released, depress the brake pedal to reduce vehicle speed. The brake pedal operates normally, even when the E-step system is activated. Use the brake pedal to completely stop the vehicle. To activate the E-step system, place the power switch in the ready to drive or on position. Now push the E-step switch located here. Push the switch again to deactivate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.